What if the difference between earning an average salary and commanding a six-figure income wasn't learning to code, but simply knowing how to talk to AI the right way? This is the reality behind prompt engineering, a rapidly emerging skill that is reshaping careers across the tech industry. Prompt engineering is the art and science of designing precise instructions that guide AI models to produce accurate, useful, and high-quality outputs. As AI systems become central to business operations, the value of this skill is skyrocketing. Companies in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia are realizing that the same AI tool can produce wildly different results depending on how it is prompted, making skilled prompt engineers essential for maximizing productivity, reducing errors, and unlocking advanced capabilities. These professionals design prompts that help AI write complex code, generate legal documents, analyze financial data, create marketing strategies, automate customer support, and even make strategic decisions. Unlike traditional programming, prompt engineering focuses on logic, clarity, context, constraints, and iteration, allowing non-developers to build powerful AI-driven workflows. As businesses race to integrate AI into every department, demand for people who can bridge human intent and machine intelligence is exploding, often faster than formal education systems can keep up. Prompt engineers experiment, test, refine, and optimize AI interactions, turning general-purpose models into specialized tools tailored to specific industries. The role also evolves constantly, requiring adaptability as models, tools, and capabilities change. Critics argue the skill may become obsolete as AI improves, but in reality, better AI increases the need for better guidance, oversight, and alignment with human goals. Over the next decade, prompt engineering will expand into AI orchestration, workflow design, and decision optimization, becoming a core competency rather than a niche role. Those who master this skill early are positioning themselves at the center of the AI economy, where knowing how to ask the right questions may be just as valuable as knowing all the answers.